I'm sure everyone watching has had a margarita before, but have you ever had a sparkling margarita? It's December and in my house, that means it's time for holiday cocktails. And I'm doing 25 straight days of cocktails to get you ready for any upcoming party or just to have an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holiday season. And if you like these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop one, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified. And for day 3, I am making you a sparkling margarita. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, it wouldn't be a margarita without tequila. Additionally, I need triple sec. And to round out this drink, I need to have lime juice. And since this is a sparkling margarita, I'm gonna be using Prosecco, but you could use any chilled sparkling wine if you want as well. And for the rim garnish, I'm going to be using black salt. And the tools I need for this drink are a shaker set and a hawthorn strainer. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, I'll be pouring in 1.5 ounces of tequila. Next, I need 1 ounce of triple sec. After that, I need 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now I'm gonna set the shaker aside and prep the glass by slicing a lime. Taking that lime slice and rubbing the rim, and I'm gonna dip it into my salt. Now it's time to add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or till it's well chilled. Strain everything into a margarita glass. Top the glass off with a sparkling wine or Prosecco, and in my case, it's Prosecco. And put that sliced lime on the rim to garnish like so. And there you have it, the sparkling margarita. Cheers. This is certainly a lime-forward drink, and the Prosecco really balances out that tequila. I can tell it's a margarita, but with those Prosecco bubbles, it's really a different drink overall. On one end, it's kind of like a mimosa, but it's also a margarita, so either way, I think it's interesting. I think it's worth trying. It's certainly good, but if I want a margarita, I'm probably gonna stick with just a regular margarita. And ultimately, it doesn't matter what I think of this. If you've tried this drink, in the comments, let me know what your thoughts are. And additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. But until next time, cheers.